So, do you remember where were we? We were here actually. We did a Pratishedo Mahamasma Yogi, if you remember.
Hmm.
Okay. Then Sutra 421. And I believe we did like till the Parapada of Bhutesha.
Yeah, I remember
Yeah.
that also.
Diptaman Siptamanta Pam Vama and then Ta Atamanta. So we'll start from Ta.
Yeah, I was looking at this one is super confusing.
Which one?
This the Karmani Prayoga of Bhutesha. Because I worked my way up to here because basically I just had to catch up. And then I came to this and I was like, oh my god, you know, three alternate forms for each one, and I was like, oh man, this is too
And
much.
so even in the Dhokshaya at many places, two forms, three forms for each.
Hmm.
So anyhow, so I hope you memorize the pratyas. Is that right?
Yes,
They're
Parvati.
coming. I have it decently memorized up to Bhutesha, but I'm also going to memorize them as we come to them. It's easy for me to pick one up in a day,
Hmm.
so I'm quite confident I can keep the pace now.
So you know about till Bhutesha, right?
Yeah.
So maybe you can just recite all.
Oh, you put me on the spot now.
Because
So
we are only three.
yeah. Dip das anti sip tasta mip mas de ante se a te dwe a vahe mahe.
Mhm.
Then the vidhi pratyas are yat yatam yat yatam yus yas yatam yata yam yava yama ita ita I yatam iran ithas iyatam idhvam iya ivahi imahi. Then the Vithatri Pratyas tup tuptam antu tuptam antu he tamta he tamta anip avap amap. um 1 second.
Tam.
Oh, it is tam tam atam antam swa atam dwam. Is it? It's not Eva he mahi. That's the Bhuteshwara. It's Aip, Avahype, Amahype, and then Bhuteshwara and Bhutesha are Dip, Diptam Diptam Sip Tamta, Diptam Sip Tamta. 1 second. No, not Pam Vama, Pam Vama. So Diptam Siptam Ta Pam Vama, and then this one is also Tom, isn't it?
No, it's Ta.
No, it's Ta. It's Ta Atam. Atam is the one that's the same. Ta Atam. 1 second. Ta Atam. Yeah, this is the newest one, so of course it's gonna trouble me. 1 second. Ta Atam Anta. Ta Atam Anta. Tas Atam Dwam. Ivahi Mahi.
Yeah. And What about Vijay Prabhu? Vijay Prabhu, you would like to?
Just join. Yeah. So I memorized all the pratyayas. I can
All the
recite.
pratyas?
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
please.
I at first. I mean, I'm still going through the forms. Okay. तत्र प्राय वर्तमानकाले तिबादयो अष्टादशाच्युत नामानः तिप्तामन्ति सिप्तस्थ तिप्तामन्ति सिप्तस्थ निप्तस्मस् आते अन्ते से आते द्वे
Prabhu,
एव.
your voice is not that clear.
Can you hear me now?
I think it's better.
Nothing is happening.
It's quite clear. It's clear for me.
I mean, Ujjwal Prabhu, your voice is clear to me, but
Now,
Vijay
probably.
yeah, it's clear. Yes.
तिप्तामन्ति सिप्तस्थ निप्पस्मस्ते आते अन्ते से आते द्वे एव हे महे विधि प्रत्ययाः.
It's tipta santi Prabhu.
Sorry, tipta santi, sorry. tipta santi सिप्तस्थ निप्पस्मस्ते आते अन्ते से आते द्वे एव हे महे विधि प्रत्ययाः. विधि संभावनादौ यादादयो विधि नामानः. याति याताम युस याति यातम यात याम याव याम ईत ईयाताम ईरन ईथास ईयाताम ईध्वम ईय ईवहि इमहि. विधातृ प्रत्ययाः. आशिफ प्रेरणादौ तुबादयो विधातृनामानः. तुक्तम अंतु हीतम त आनिप आप आमुप त आताम अंत थास सॉरी ताम आताम अंत स्व आथम ध्वम ऐप आवगैप आमगैप. भूतेश्वर भूतेश प्रत्ययाः.
Is it tam atam anta or tam atam antam?
Tam antam. Tam atam. This one and the Bhuteshwara are very close.
Yeah, it got me also.
Tam atam antam swa atam dhvam aip avagaip amagaip. Bhuteshwara bhutesha pratyaha. Anadyatana bhute tibadayo bhuteshwara namanah. Bhute tibadayo bhutesha namanah. Diptam an sipatam ta pamuama ta atam anta thas atam dhvam ivahi mahi. And adhokshaja pratyaha. Paroksha bhute naladeyo adhokshaja namanah. Nalu atus us thal atus a nalu vama te ate ires e ate ires e ate dve e vahe mahe. And kamapala pratyaha. Ashishi yatyastam ityadayah kamapala namanah. Yati yastam yasusu yasi yastam yasta yasam yasu yasma ita sorry sishta siyastam siran sishta siyastam sidham siya sivayi simahi. Then you have balakalki pratyaha. Anadyatana sorry arharthena dyatana bhavishyati cha tadayo balakalki namanah. Tataravtaras tasi tastas tasta tasmi tasvas tasmas tataravtaras tase tasate tasve tase tasate tadve tas tahe tasvahe tasmahe. And kalki pratyaha. भविष्यत् काले सत्यादयः कल्कि नामानः. स्यति सतस्यन्ति स्यसि सतस्यतः स्यामि स्याव स्यामस् स्यते स्येते स्यन्ते स्यसे स्येथे स्यद्वे स्ये स्यावहे स्यामहे. अजित प्रत्ययाः. साकांक्षमित्र क्रियादिक्रमो निर्दिश्यते तत्र कार्यकारणयोः स्यदादिक अजितनामानो भूते भविष्यति च. स्यत् स्यतां स्यन् स्यन् स्यस्यतं स्यत स्यं स्याव स्याम स्यत स्येतां स्यन्त स्यत्था स्येत्थां स्यध्वं स्ये स्यावहे स्यामहे.
Yes.
Hari
Wow.
That's awesome.
Thank you, bro.
Okay, so in bhuteshate bhava karmanoh. So in bhave prayoga and karmani prayoga, n is applied after dhatu when the bhutesha pratyaya ta follows. Okay. So dana is an indicatory letter and the Paninians call it chind. So again, I would like to say that also do memorize the Paninian terms as well for each tense. That will be very useful. You know, the lut, lot, lit, whatever exactly it is.
Yeah.
So
Bhutesha is lung, right?
Lung, yeah. Bhuteshwara is lung, Bhutesha is lung.
Yeah.
So this sutra is an apavad of Sir Bhuteshe. Okay. Antasya Vrishnendro Nrusinghe. Okay, let us just do it. So we have the dhatu bhu and then the pratyaya ta, and this is bhutesha atmapada. So the sutra says in bhuteshte bhav karmanoh. When ta follows after any dhatu,
do we do Sir Bhuteshe first?
Actually it's a pavada, it's not a replacement.
Oh,
actually.
I see. So it's stopping Sir from
Yeah.
happening. I see.
So it's not a, it's pavada. So we bring. Also, that upasita was little tricky. But
Yeah.
when I saw the shloka, I was like, if we take it, as a kridanta suffix, the ta suffix, it doesn't match. So
Yeah.
I just considered why not upasita. I just speculated, to be frank, because that's how you get to know things at certain points. I was like, bhavitri becomes bhavita, and like that. I thought of many words. Then I was like, is there upasitri? Then I just searched on the dictionary, and I was glad it was there. So upasita. Anyhow, so in and then the in bhuteshate bhav karmanoh. Then it says antasya vrishnendro nrisinghe. The final varna of a dhatu takes vrishnendra when a nrisingha pratyaya follows. What is nrisingha?
Nrsimha.
Nrsimha. Yeah. So this
Yes.
in is Nrsimha.
So when nrisingha pratyaya follows, in such case, the final varna of a dhatu takes vrishnendra. So u will become au.
Yeah.
Udvay se au. So bhau and e and ta. Right? Inastu haraha.
Oh, it's deleted, huh?
Yeah, inastu haraha. Oh, of course, at pratishedo mama asma yoga is there. Sorry, not at
You mean this? Yeah, I always mix them up. Dato purvam ad bhuteshu bhutesha ajuteshu.
Because it didn't say only parapada, it just said bhutesha, bhuteshwara, ajita. So we'll bring even that one. So inasto haraha, ta gets deleted. Oh, av, abhavi. That's it. Okay.
It's such a weird form. I would see this as 7-1 if I was reading. I would think, what is this? Abhava becomes a or abhav becomes a bhavi, something like.
But if it was abhava.
Yeah, not abha. I would be wondering how you could have bhav as a word.
So means that's where we get to know the differences, the subtle differences.
Yeah.
If it is abhava, then it would be abhave as 7-1.
And bhav without an is not a word.
So abhavi is this one in bhave prayoga. Same with the karmani prayoga when it's in the sense of prapti. Okay. It ram dhatu ke. It is inserted after dhatu when a ram dhatuka follows. What is a ram dhatuka? And what is krishna dhatuka?
Achyutade Panchashivasya Krishna dhatuka.
Okay. It's like what is Gopala? Then we have the whole sutra. What is Yadava? Yadava Anne.
Yeah.
So Anya Pratyaya Ram Dhatuka. Okay. Sahaja Sarveshwaranta Hanagraha Drishibhya in Vadidva Syasi kampal bal kalkishu bhav karmano. It says prayoga when sya, let's see what is this sya. The pratyaya sya here really refers to the pratyas beginning with sya, like Seti, in Kalki and in Ajita. Namely the Kalki and Ajita pratyas. The Kalki pratyas are formed by adding the pratyaya sya before the Achyut pratyas.
Yeah, that is
Did you
very
get it?
clear. Yeah, that is very clear.
So the Kalki pratyas are formed by adding the pratyaya sa before the Achyut pratyas, like Sati, Syatah, Santi, Ityadi. And the Ajita pratyas are found by adding the pratyaya sa before the Bhuteshwar pratyas.
Oh, okay. So nice. Ujjala Prabhu, you by hearted two more.
Yeah, makes it much easier.
Yeah. So Sutras 396, 97, 400 and the Sandhi rules are then applied if needed. Due to the complexity of this process and because Sutras this thesis had not been made at the time, Jiva Goswami simply listed the Kalki and Ajita Pratyas as Nipatas in Vrittis 375 and 376 and didn't mention Sya, but from this and other sutras we learn of the existence of Sya and its integral role in the formation of the Kalki and Ajit Pratyas. Okay. So in Bhave Prayoga and Karmani Prayoga, when Sya, Si, Kamapala or Bal Kalki follow, in Vad it is optionally inserted after Han, Graha, Drishir, and Dhatus which originally end in a Sarveshwara. So Han is Han Hinsa Gatyoho. So whenever a new dhatu is coming, please mark them. You may either even write them or whatever way. So Han Hinsa Gatyoho. Graha Upadane means to take, to accept, to take. Drishir Prekshane, to see. Okay. What is in with it? The agama it is which is treated like in. This is interesting. In with it.
Oh, I was reading this, Prabhu, and I was like, why is this it under Simha? And I didn't look at the word for word because it was at the end of my study session and I was getting a little tired. And I was just like, I'll wait for the class. I can't do
So
this.
here it is.
But the in what it, because I was thinking in what or it are added, and I was also like, how do you decide which one of the three to add?
So the agama it which is treated like in, which means although it is it, but it is considered to be Nrsimha.
Yeah.
And then the following karya will take place.
Yeah.
So
But it is really not Itta.
it is really it, but it is assumed to be in.
Prabhuji,
I
I
guess
did not get it.
I don't understand why it's not just in, but okay. Does it
So-
mean it also has the effect of it as well? Like if it's a, well, there is no.
Let's do few examples, then it will be clear. Okay. Bhu yukta atam, so ta atam, the next is atam.
Dato Purvamat.
Just a minute.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. Bhu yukta atam, dhatu purvamat, the dhatu, and then sir bhuteshe. Because in the previous one we had an apavada, but here we do not have. So sir bhuteshe and then atam. So now the sutra says sahaja sarveshwaranta hana graha drishibhya invadit va means optionally syasi kampal balkalkishu bhav karmanoh.
And we apply this because Bhu is Sahaja Sarveshwaranta. Right?
Yes,
Because this naturally has
then yes, and then C is the paranimitta.
I see. So it has to have both.
Because we don't have any Yeah, yeah. So then what's happening is in with it. So one time it's being applied, and one time the other way. So okay, first of all, we had the sutra it Ram Dhatuke.
Yeah.
When Ram Dhatuka follows, then it is inserted. And
So
when
that's the one that's compulsory, and then this invadit
yes,
is optional.
optional.
Hmm.
Prabhuji, where it
So
is
first we
mentioned,
apply
it is
invalid.
optional.
Va.
Prabhu,
There's
optionally.
va in the thing.
Oh, I see. So I did not still get in with it. Would you be able to explain, or you're planning
Yeah,
to?
just let us just do this one, and I think it will be clear. So at pratishe dhatu purumad bhu, and then we have here invalid.
It,
It is
which is
it is
invadit. Yeah.
yeah, it is it, but it will act like in.
Which will cause
Because
So
this Antasya Vishnindro Nrsimha.
Krishnendra Singh.
so basically it
Yeah,
is just a
Nrsimha.
Narsinga. That's all, right?
Yeah.
Means basically it is in, but your question is also right. Then why not in?
Yeah,
So
I was also wondering that.
we'll see if some Shodhani says something about that, because I don't exactly remember if there is any special reason for that. So let's see. So Antasya Vrishnindro Nrsimhe and O Av, so Abhavi Satam, and then Ishvara
Mm-hmm.
Harimitra, Abhavi Shatam. This is one. Um, and then At Dhatapuramat Bhu. Now Atam is a Krishna Dhatuka, but because we have
But
C,
C, right?
yeah, C is considered to be Ram Dhatuka,
So
Anya
it
Pratyaya Ram Dhatuka.
Ramadhatuke.
That's why we have it Ram Dhatuka here.
Mm-hmm.
And
And
so
this it
now
is
here we have
not
Govinda,
invadit, right? This is
because
just regular it.
yes. So of Abhavi Satam and Abhavi Shatam. Abhavi Shatam and Abhavi Shatam.
Okay, now I understand this. This was the particular part where I was, because I completely missed that invad it part, and I was thinking there were three different pratyas that would be applied to, different circumstances, and I was like,
Yeah,
why?
just 1 minute, Prabhu. Yes, Prabhu. Sorry.
No, but it's clear now. Yeah, this is great.
So we'll just read if it says something about why it and why not end directly. So although most dhatus which originally end in a Sarveshwara are anit by verse 1 of the Anit Gana. This we'll read in some time, not today, but after a few sutras. Uh, Anit Gana. So there are whole series of shlokas. I think eight or nine of them. So they are Anit Gana dhatus. So there are dhatus which take it naturally, and there are dhatus which do not take it. So those dhatus who take it, they are set. They are called set dhatus.
Mm.
And those who do not take it, they are called anit dhatus. So here Sankshodhani says that generally most of the dhatus which are sahaja sarveshwaranta, they are anit by the verse 1, and hana and drishir are anit by verses 5 and 7 of anit gana. This sutra allows them to optionally take it, which is like end.
Mm.
I think just a minute, just a minute. Let me just bring that thing up. Uh, Ujjwal Prabha shared that file with you, right? The sutra file. Was
Which
that on
one?
was was that on Telegram? The whole sutras in Devanagari.
I think so. Yeah. Let me look.
Just pin it if you have it on Telegram.
I'm looking.
I think it's Sutramala, something by the name Sutramala.
Maybe you emailed it to me.
Okay.
No,
I think
no,
it's
I
here.
found it. I found it. Yeah.
So Yeah, it's here. Um,
One second. Sutramala final. I just
yeah,
sent it.
yeah, here it is. So
And I
after
pinned it.
yes, Prabhu, I got it. So after a few sutras, let's say 60, 70 of the sutras, there will be series of these shlokas. The shlokas shown here.
Mm,
So these are anit gana dhatus.
mm,
All the dhatus which are anit. It's mentioned by Jiva Goswami himself. So it says Uri Ramant Rusnukshnu Shiyunukshu Shvidi Shribhi Ving Bhyangcha Vinaikacha Swarantaha. Now Swaranta means those ending with Swara, Sarveshwara.
yeah.
Swarantaha Dhatavo Anitaha. Is that clear?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So
Things
this
which
is
end in a Sarveshwara
just
are
one
anid.
question in this. So one question.
Yes.
So we don't need to memorize whether the dhatu is anit, set and all. It will be
We, we will have to, but not at this point of time uh, when we will reach here. So
no, that is
basically,
fine. But when I'm memorizing the dhatu, like bhu satayam, do I need to also remember whether it is anit dhatu or set dhatu? That I don't need to do, right?
unless you want to compose, I would say that
But also seems like if you memorize this, then you'll understand what is anit or
yes,
seth, right? So I won't need to remember
yeah,
like
because
boo anit.
Yeah, like
Because
that.
I'll know that it's swaranta dhatavaha. It's a
mhm,
swaranta dhatu. And then I'll know, oh, it's anit. Unless it's specified in the
sutras and like
yeah.
that. So this is an exhaustive list. It's
Oh,
not
okay,
that.
great.
That's
So we
interesting
do this.
because this is one of the main criticisms that modern scholars have, that this set and anit is extremely complex to understand, and so they criticize Sanskrit heavily over this.
Because
If
they
it's
want to
only a matter
go
of learning
without the
10,
sutras. That's why.
yeah, but if it's only a matter of learning 10 verses, then it's like that's not so complicated. You just need to know the formula.
Prabhu, Hare Krishna.
Yeah, Ujjwala Prabhu, your voice is breaking.
Can you hear me
Okay.
now?
Yeah.
There must
Yes.
be some lag. Yeah.
Okay. So that was the list. So it clearly says Swaranta Dhatavaha Anitaha.
Mm.
So does that answer your question, Vijay Prabhu?
Prabhu,
To
still,
some
why it is taken instead of in? That's not clear, right?
okay. So even so, they are anit by versus this and that of this of the anit gana. This sutra allows them to optionally take end with it. Even in the case of dhatus, which do take it by itram dhatu ke, end with it is applied first as the main option, and the normal it is applied only in the absence of end with it. The following verse from Kashika explains what happens when end with it is applied. The first, the vriddhi takes place as this, as chin follows, which is in our case. Secondly, there is the addition of yuk augment. Thirdly, gha is substituted for. These are different things which happen when we apply, in. So this gha becomes is substituted for the ha of han. Fourthly, the roots having indicate. So these are basic things or few things which happens when in follows.
I see. In or it follows, you mean?
Yeah, sorry, in what it follows. In Harinamamrit Vyakran, this information translates as follows. So Matsavtar Prabhu has kindly done it in our way. All these things.
So basically, But we are not seeing that here. Like ha of han becomes gha.
It will come ahead, Prabhu, not here. So it is talking of everything possible done when inward it is following.
Hmm.
So isn't this looking like a
Just
series
like
of
we
steps to
saw
be
this,
applied to get a particular form?
No, 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 no. If you
but
see
we're only
here,
using part of the sutra, right?
there is yeah, there is Vrishnendra by Antasya Vrishnendra and Nrsinge and so on, and Uddhava. So anything which is happening based upon Invadik, that is being mentioned here by Kashika.
Mm-hmm.
So it's just showing the utility of Invadik in the grammar.
But here you see that ato yug ini nirsingha kriti cha. Looks like in is being talked about rather in with it.
Where?
Number 2, the Agama Yuk is applied by Ato Yug Ingi Nrsimha Kriticha.
So
540.
okay. So basically, Prabhu, Paramasundar Prabhu, you are saying where because we are inserting Invadik here, there are other sutras which are specific to Invadik will also be applicable to this. That's what you are saying. If you had inserted in,
Specifically,
then those sutras would be.
yeah, specifically for Invadik, as well as if it's only referring to in, then also that's applicable to Invadik as well. Just in the case here, Antasya Vrishnendra and Nrsinge.
Okay, so we have additional things for Invadik that could not have taken place if we had inserted in here.
See, basic thing is the deletion of na. One thing is that which makes the pratyaya nrisinga.
Right.
And one thing is also few sutras like the sutra here. It particularly mentions invadit, a teacher. You know the fifth point.
Yeah.
So
that
few
would not have been
sutras.
applied, right? If
Yeah. So few sutras they demand the presence of invadit.
Okay.
You see 587 sutra. You see 573rd sutra here. Even here, and like that. So few sutras they demand the presence of invadit.
Okay. Okay.
Because Prabhu, one thing is also when we do invadit, so it's like it's mostly optional. The application of invadit. So when it's optional, then we get two forms at least. So in the Shastras, there are two forms. That's why the grammarians they have made thing like this. It is considered to be in optionally. So one time they can get a Vriddhi form, a Vrishnendra form, and one time they can get a form where Govinda is done. That is also one point. Okay.
Okay, Prabhuji.
So that was it. Abhavishatam and Abhavishatam. And these are all stuffs which will be coming ahead as we move ahead. Okay. Ramanya.
What is that? Sorry,
Yeah, I think it's the same
what's
point
this highlighted point?
Here. That's the same point that's being discussed here, I guess.
Oh no, I don't know what that is.
Oh, I think that's different.
No, I don't think it's the same.
That is talking of some different point.
Yeah.
So aramanya varnad nasya haraha, when ante antam or anta come after a varna other than arama, their na is deleted. Okay, this was really confusing when I read it for the first time. So ta atam anta, that is this one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, which is this ante? Which one? Which
Te
case? Which
ate
tense?
ante.
Te ate ante.
Is
So this
Karmani
is
Prayoga Achyuta. 3.
And what is
1
antam?
3? Antam is that's Vidatri 1 3
Vidatri.
of
Yeah.
of Karmani Prayoga.
So when ante antam or anta come after a varna other than arama, their na is Na is deleted. Shing or Utcha, when the na of ante, antam or anta is deleted, root is inserted after shing. Okay, shing is also one thing. Shing is a dhatu, swapne, to sleep, lie down. So the words shete, words like shayana, they are made from this. Shing, swapne. Vitte, vitte, ruttuva, when the na of ante, antam or anta is deleted, root is optionally inserted after vidha. So it's like two two more like specific sutras, 427 and 428. So the general rule is 426. 427 and 28, they are some specific rule in that
For a
relation.
particular dhatu.
Okay, so yeah, particular dhatu. So bhu anta, this is the bhuvachana. Dhatu puramat sir bhuteshe. Now we have two options by 425 in Vadit. Sahaja sarveshwaranta, hana graha drishibhya. And what's next? Uh, Invadidva Sasi Kampala Balkalki Shu Bhav Karmano. So we have that sutra, Invad it is applied. At Bhu it is here, see Anta. Again the same thing. Antasya Vrishnindro Nrasinghe. Abhavi Shanta. Sorry, Abhavi Sa and Anta. Now here we apply 426, which says Aramanya Varanadante Antamantanam Nasya Haraha. Because now we have anta in this case comes after a varna other than a rama. In this case, it is sarama. So that's why this na rama gets deleted. So abhavishata, and I believe here it would be abhavishata. Same process, just govinda, because it is it.
It Ramadhat, okay.
It randhada, abhavishata. And so ta atam anta thas atham. And thasam atham, they are also same. Abhavishathah, sararamya, abhavishatha, sorry, abhavishtha and abhavishta. I'm really sorry for that. Because we have serve of sirbhuteshe, then o of abhavisthas, and then 170. That is Ishvara Harimitra, right?
Yeah, Ishvara Harimitra Kafni.
And then after Ishvara Mitra, what is the sutra?
Shat Parasyata Varga Yuktasya
How
Chata
does tha become
Vargasyata
tha?
Vargaha.
Wow. So Shat Parasya Tavarga Yuktasya Chatavarga Satavargaha Ityadi. So after
Vargadanam Navati Nagarinam.
Nagarinam.
Yeah.
See from where the sutra came. So Abhavishtha. Similarly, Abhavi Chatham and
What caused what caused the deletion of the as well?
Where?
Because I understand we turned. Oh, sorry. This is tas. Yeah. Never mind. Never mind.
So Abhavi Shatham. So that's it. Yeah, so that's all for today. We'll continue tomorrow. So please do this with the sadhana, the practice, and yeah.
Yeah.
So I have some service, so we'll just stop for today. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you.
It was nice to hear Andhra Prabhu after a long time.
Oh, you can hear that, huh?
What?
Andhra.
Yeah, someone is in the kitchen. Someone is in the kitchen and listening.
I'm hearing.
Nice. I didn't think it would come through. I would have closed the door. Sorry about that.
Yeah, no problem. I was relishing, that's why I didn't tell actually.
Jai.
I thought it is coming from Paramatma Prabhu.
No. It's coming from Ujjwal Prabhu's side.
Oh, I see.
Yeah,
Okay.
Okay. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.